I've been meaning to make some notes about this Abba Skylift for quite a long time, so I apologise. It came with a slight issue with the foot pump valve, which had a leak to it, but Kelly at Abba Stands was fantastic customer service, got me a new one sent out pretty much straight away, and it was easy to assemble. Really, I'm definitely no mechanic, and I haven't bought this stand to do mechanicking on my bike much more than sort of adjust the clutch or bits and pieces underneath the bike. I found it really easy to put together. I find it quite easy to get it onto the bike. I've basically put 10mm bits of wood underneath just to ease the fitting of it. Abba Stands were quite helpful with the fitting kit that goes with my Moto Guzzi V7 850 from 2021. Can't remember what the number is. Maybe I'll put it in the notes if I can remember it. So in summary, what do I think of this Abba Stand Skylift? I think it's really good. I think it's value for money. It's very well engineered. The customer service from Abba Stands was great. It means I can tinker around and do little jobs on my bike that I can manage, which is not very many, but mainly it means I don't have to roll around on the floor when I'm trying to clean it. Overall, I highly recommend it. So there we go. I hope you found this little review helpful, but if not, here's a little dance. So, where I do wear safety shoes, by the way. There are loads of videos showing how it works, so I'll just quickly run through how I get it on with my bike. How I get it on with my bike? I don't get it on my bike. I love my bike, but not in that way. That would be bad. That would be wrong. Anyway, I do love my bike. So let me go for another take with that.